Hello everyone. I would like to share with you about an application on the iPhone that has the most important function, the Command Min application. In case we lose our phone, we can find it by using this application function. Then the phone, the type of connection before. Related to this program. And you go to the place of that word or from 5 my God. Click on the word we lost or this is our phone. The location of the lost phone that is in 0. The more you get, or lost on any road. We have to search for it by. Next, you all enter this program and you all see the word F5 in our iPhone.